Whiten teeth at home naturally. Most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. If you want whiter teeth but also want to avoid the chemicals, this video has many options that are both natural and safe. There are multiple factors that cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright white sparkle. Some foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded, revealing the dentin underneath. Dentin is a naturally yellow bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. Here are some simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. First is to brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth which prevents bacteria from growing. This is not a remedy that will whiten your teeth overnight, but you should notice a difference in the appearance of your teeth over time. Science has not yet proven that brushing with plain baking soda will whiten your teeth. But several studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda has a significant whitening effect. We found that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing yellow stains from teeth than standard toothpastes without baking soda. The higher the concentration of baking soda, the greater the effect. A review of 5 studies found that toothpastes containing baking soda removed plaque from teeth more effectively than non-baking soda toothpastes. To use this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. You can do this a few times per week. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. The second way to whiten teeth is by using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. People have been using hydrogen peroxide for years to disinfect wounds because of its ability to kill bacteria. Many commercial whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide, although at a much higher concentration than you will use. Several studies have analyzed commercial toothpastes containing peroxide. One study found that a toothpaste containing baking soda and 1% hydrogen peroxide led to significantly whiter teeth. Another study found that brushing with a commercial toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide twice per day led to 62% whiter teeth in 6 weeks. However, there are some questions regarding the safety of hydrogen peroxide. While heavily diluted concentrations appear safe, strong concentrations or overuse can cause gum irritation and tooth sensitivity. There's also concern that high doses may cause cancer, but this has not been proven. One way to use hydrogen peroxide is a mouthwash before you brush your teeth. Make sure you are using a 1.5% or 3% solution to avoid side effects. The most common concentration of hydrogen peroxide at the drugstore is a 3% solution. You can easily dilute this concentration to 1.5% by mixing equal parts peroxide and water. Another way to use hydrogen peroxide is by mixing it with baking soda to make a toothpaste. Combine 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and gently brush your teeth with the mixture. Limit the use of this homemade paste to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth enamel. The third way to whiten teeth is with the practice of oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Indian folk remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from the body. The practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to look yellow. Traditionally, Indians used sunflower or sesame oil for oil pulling, but any oil will work. Coconut oil is a popular choice because it has a pleasant taste and offers many health benefits. Coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. A few studies have shown that daily oil pulling reduces bacteria in the mouth, along with plaque and gingivitis. Streptococcus matans is one of the primary types of bacteria in the mouth that cause plaque and gingivitis. One study found that daily swishing with sesame oil significantly reduced Streptococcus matans in saliva in as little as 1 week. Unfortunately, no scientific studies have proven that oil pulling whitens your teeth. However, it's a safe practice and worth a try. Many people claim their teeth are whiter and brighter after regular oil pulling. To oil pull, put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and push and pull the oil through your teeth. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so you may need to wait a few seconds for it to melt. Continue the oil pulling for 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to spit the coconut oil into a toilet or trash can, as it could return to solid form once in your drain pipes and cause a clog. Unlike many other tooth whitening methods, coconut oil pulling does not expose your teeth to acid or other ingredients that erode the enamel. This means it's safe to do daily. Coconut oil pulling involves swishing oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes to remove bacteria. Practicing this daily can reduce plaque and may brighten your teeth. Ask your dentist for their recommendations. Subscribe for the next Thinking Out of the Box video.